Ensure that the system you will install FileMaker Server 2023 meets the technical requirements. The client computers need to be running FileMaker Pro 19.6. Download the version of FileMaker Server based on your operating system and save your license certificate into the same folder. Windows users will double-click on the executable and Mac users will click on the DMG file. The installer will check for compatibility, then continue the installation. Follow the prompts. In deployment options, select FileMaker Server Primary Machine. Most commonly, FM Server User is selected. However, if you use an administrative account for this computer, you may enter it here. If the organization field doesn't automatically fill in, enter Deploy Tech Services. Now you will create your admin account to log into the FileMaker Server Administrative Console. The console can be accessed via the local machine, through your network, over a VPN, or even over the internet if set up by this user. I do not recommend using admin as your username. Shown is only an example. Also create a 4-digit PIN number that can be used to access the command line interface should it be needed. During installation is the only time this PIN can be created. If you forget the login and PIN, you will have to reinstall FileMaker Server to access the files. Mac users will typically be prompted to enter their Apple login. FileMaker Server will continue the installation. This can take several minutes. Allow access to system events. This will provide logs should there be any issues with the server or files. You will receive confirmation of a successful installation. The FileMaker Admin Console login will be presented. Log in with the admin name and password you created during the installation. Based on your company policies and your operating system, you may be prompted to save your login information. For your network security, we recommend that you use your own SSL certificate. If not available, you can select Declare a certificate for now and upload yours later. This will bring you to the console dashboard. Your Crate Pro files can be uploaded via FileMaker Pro, or you can save the files to the Databases folder. Mac users may need to add permissions to their files.